Welcome back. My name is Maxim from Momoyoga, and today we'll be having a look at how we can manage our studio's finances and how we can track our orders within Momoyoga. Let's get started by heading over to the Orders tab. Within the Orders tab, we can filter our orders and payments based on invoice date, status, and payment method. The invoice date is perfect if you want to, for example, select a specific date range for us to do our taxes, for example, the 1st of January until the 31st of March. For our status, we can filter on if orders have been paid. So, for example, if people didn't pay their invoice, or if it was cancelled for some reason, or if it was failed. And then lastly, we can filter on the payment method, which basically means in what way did they pay, through what payment provider. Now let's have a little bit of a deeper look into one of these payments. We'll be looking at both recurring memberships and class passes. And if you filter on any of these, you can make an export in whatever format you'd prefer. Within the recurring membership order, we can edit the next date in which they will be ordered to pay. We can cancel the membership, or we can pause it if, for example, they want to have a break, or they don't have the time to come for a specific month, for example, when we have this membership offered. Down here we can see the repetition, so when they paid and for how long this has been going. Now let's go back to our orders overview and look at one of the not paid orders. If we have a look here at a ClassPass payment with the status on payment, we see that it has a note or method of cash. So supposedly this order has been paid through cash, but the order status is still on not paid. So we can change that either here by editing the status to paid, or we can change the payment method if they are not planning on paying in cash anymore. This usually happens, or like this kind of order usually happens if someone wants to book a class with us, is paying us to promise in cash, and we manually add them ourselves to a subscription or a class pass. We can also change or edit the order here, and this is specifically for the start and expiration date of a class pass, or for example the price, or if we promise them a discount on their order. Then we have two more small things which we're going to go over. So this section is also perfect for if someone has not paid yet and we need to give them a little reminder. We can do so here by sending them a payment reminder, and we can also confirm the payment here if they paid. So we can select the method, we select the date, and we can also send them a confirmation of payment if they, for example, want an invoice or need it. And if we want to download the invoice ourselves, we can do so here. And that's basically everything regarding order details and managing your finances within Momoyoga. And that was it for this tutorial. We hope you found it useful. Let us know what you think. And if you want to know more about Momoyoga, or if you have any other question, you can visit our help center. And if you enjoyed this video, we have many more videos like this covering a lot of different topics.